ZENA stock analysis Thursday. Next Thursday and onward, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So ZenaTech stock's been sitting at 713, 23% down for the day. Where are we hitting next? Overall speaking, it's not like I'm gonna like randomly buy, but I'm very open to this bullish idea, very open to it, and I'm gonna explain in a second. I'm sticking to a strategy that's taken me 4 years, 32,000 videos, and thousands of dollars in courses and mentorships to refine, and I'm sharing it with you. Obviously, I've documented everything. With Zena, there's like not one guy on YouTube like me. You're not gonna find it. The only guy in this space doing this. And the main reason why I'm very open to buying is because actually it's gonna be like a little tweak. I'm gonna add a little tweak to this. I want to see a double break with just a little bit above, right? Not as low as that, because like that time frame just doesn't suit this. So that's what I figured out for my last prediction, but nothing has moved. So yeah, post market it's even going lower. So if I start to see the price going this low, I mean from a higher time frame this is still going to be fine, but if I start seeing it even going lower, then this is going to be changed. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description. I'll review your 5 stars.